Hi, I'm Maggie Harding, and I'm a special projects designer for Graphic 45. And today I want to share with you a traveler's notebook that I made from the new collection, Imagine. This is such a gorgeous collection, and the images in it are just so fun. Along with that, I've also used some of the new Graphic 45 dies. This is the regular tag and gears metal die. And I've also used this large tag and ATC die. I just used the small ATC. Of course, these flowers make up beautifully. I don't think I used any of those on this particular mini, but trust me, they are gorgeous. So now let's take a quick look here. On the spine, I made a little dangle thing. I used a Graphic 45 shabby chic key and some other charms that I have. The flowers I've used are from Little Birdie. They really match this paper nicely. I did some fussy cutting, some butterflies, and this from one of the papers. Now, to make this really neat closure, I took a Graphic 45 keyhole. I looped my ribbon through there, and I put a piece of Velcro on the back side. And then on the back of the mini, I attached the piece that the Velcro fastens to. Now, because this has a tendency to lift when you pull on it, I actually put a brad down in the center of it. And it works still just fine. So let's take a look inside the mini. Okay, so here on the left side, I made a little tuck pocket, and it holds a nice tag. And I cut this tag with that new die. Oh, I love those dies. And here's a fun page. Now, this is a pull-out page, and on this side there's 3 places where you could journal or map pictures, and on this side there is a waterfall and then a big spot for a big picture, and it just folds up and fits right back into the mini. And then this is a pocket page, and I've made a little file folder here where you can journal or put pictures, and then just tuck it right back in there. That's the first signature. A signature is the little booklets that fit inside this traveler's notebook. Now, this is a traveler's notebook. It's patterned after Midori, which is a very popular brand of traveler's notebooks right now. And it has elastic threads that hold it in. So you just make your signature and you just slip it in under the elastic. Makes making a mini go really quick. Here are some flowers. I did use those dies. So these flowers are made with these dies. I just layered them up and inked the edges a little bit. Then here we have a flip page. And on the bottom, I used a couple of the little holes that are punched out of the tags from here to make a little lift. And there's a pocket here, and I've put a little small ATC tag in there. And this is also a pocket page on this side. So there's a pocket, and I've just slipped a couple of ephemera tags into there. And here's another waterfall page. And it's also got a pocket, and inside the pocket is a little file folder. So you can do all kinds of things with this. And a photo mat, another photo mat, and then this is an ephemera card with a piece of design paper over the end where I folded it in, and the back of the second signature. Now here's the third signature. A tag to tuck into this pocket, and then I made a belly band here and tucked 2 tags in. And what I did was I put a little bit of glue here, here, and here to hold the tags. And this is another belly band, and I just slipped an ephemera card in there. And here's a tuck spot, and I've just tucked some ephemeras in there. You could tuck tags in, whatever you like. Now this is also a pocket page, so I've got another folder that slips out. Now let me tell you how I made my pocket pages. So when you put these signatures together, let's take one out. You're taking one sheet of paper, and then you're taking another sheet of paper and stacking them and then adhering them together somehow. I use staples. Some people sew them together, but I use staples. I don't know if you can see that, but okay. So the inner page, instead of having it lay flat open, I simply glue it together along the edges, and that makes my pocket page. Makes it nice and easy. So okay, continuing on, there's another little flip up and a pocket with 2 tags. And another little tuck spot with an ephemera card and the back of the 3rd signature. So let's slip that back in. And there's the back of the mini. And then it closes up just like that. So this is a really fun way to make a little mini album. I used Eileen Hull's journal die to make my cover. But there are, you can cut your own, or there's lots of different ways to do this. So thanks for joining me today.